discussing about those customers who are on Tally server. So this, suppose you're on Tally server and you can have multiple touch points with the customer. You can have bill receivable intimations which you need to have. You might need to have to intimate on the customer on what are the stock, what is the closing stock available with you. You can even have a touch point with the customer as to what has been the total sales. So if there are multiple touch points or sales order pending, if there are multiple touch points with the customer, then it might be a good idea to actually have a portal of your own on your Tally server. So every server can actually act as a portal, and using SQL Server database, after getting the data, comprehensive data from the Tally, then we can make a portal, and then each customer can log in and get the data for this. So this is a brief introduction of what type of portal. Suppose you have got bill details here. So which ledger is there? So suppose that customer has got multiple ledgers or one ledger. So each ledger will have its own login. With each ledger, you can have a voucher number, his email, his alter ID, what is the receivable, what is the payable, with what bill date, what bill credit period, due date, bill ID, bill name, opening, and for which company it is there. So company could be there or could not, might not be there, this thing. In case your customer wants to search by certain parameters also, that should also be possible. So we can make it that way also, right? And you can submit it and then you can get it. Then the second thing could be something like, if I want to give my stock item detail summary, so like which is there, what item is there, now opening balance and the closing balance. So you can actually say, okay fine, how much stock is available with me, so that it becomes very easy for him to order if he wants to actually order the same. Then third, he could be saying is, this could be an important thing. What is the bill history of the particular customer, as to how much was for which bill, what date, how much was debited, how much was credited? Because at times customers want to know that, okay fine, how much have they paid historically. Then another one which we believe that could be useful is comprehensive sales movement analysis, right? That on which date, for which customer, by which voucher type, and which ledger, how much was sold, which items was sold, which batch was sold. So here I'm saying which is the batch was sold, and then what is the order due date, and then also then based on that particular batch, how much is the bill amount and when it has to be paid. So each customer wise complete item as well as the bill movement history can be put on the portal in a single table. So these are just the three sample cases which can be used for giving customers visibility over the web. So like Google, Amazon and all have their own web portal. One should also consider, if one is a large business, to make one's own web portal. Do contact us if you want to get a web portal made like this, and have a more efficient interaction with the customers, this thing. So on this particular web portal, we can also add details of exporting to Excel, so customer can export to Excel also. And automated email can be done through the emailing. So just like the Amazon portal, you can have it. This is going to be sort of a brief marketplace wherein you interact with the customer, and if suppose you've got 200, 300, 400 customers. Now, why is it better than automated emailing or WhatsApp, so forth? Because we found that to be very expensive, you know. So if I've got say 500 customers and I have to send in WhatsApp details each time across those 500 customers, it's very expensive. And I might also want the customer to get complete visibility over the web whenever he wants it, like just on a mobile. I'm not on a server, I just want it on a mobile whenever he wants on the web. So that is how I see it. And plus I don't want to give the data to a third party to actually keep the data. I want to keep the data with myself, like this is from my own server on my own this thing. So we have complete control, and with an unlimited number of customers can be handled, and this own intranet portal can be then used for further sales and further interaction with the customer. Thank you very much, and we look forward to having a word with you.